Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install Golang on Ubuntu 20.04. First, just visit official Golang website and download the installer. Uh, just visit this and click on Linux and download the installer. This is a tar archive. Just downloading it to our desktop. Now, just click on view install documentation. Here you can see the Linux instructions. So this command, okay, first we have to execute this command. It means it is if you already have any existing Go installation, this will remove that and extract the downloaded archive to /user/local. Okay, so we don't need this as it is a fresh installation for me. In my case, it is just fresh installation, so I don't need to execute this command. Now I'm going to execute this. Oh, sorry. So it is in desktop. Okay, and just put sudo as it is the root folder. Okay, I think we don't need that. Oh, permission. Just put sudo before tar. Okay, now this command just extracted the archive and moved that extracted installer to /user/local. We can check that here. See, we have Go in our user local. So now we have to add that path to the system path variable. So now we can just add that to the system path variable with this command. Okay, so now the Go command should be available for us. I will just check that. So just Go version, right? Go version. Just update the path variable. Just add that path to the system path variable, and it will work. So we don't need to do this every time when we restart or when we open new terminal session. So we can we have to do this every time. If we open a new terminal session, we have to paste it again. So to avoid that, we can just put that in the bash profile or bash rc file. So just open that nano with see. So just paste it at the end of bash rc file. Now just do this source bash rc. Okay, now even if you restart the system, it will be automatically added to the path. You don't need to export that variable every time when you open new terminal session or restart the system. Now it should work. Yeah. Okay, now the installation is successful. I can see that here. Now we can just write our hello world Go program and see that in action. So just click on getting started. So just follow these instructions. Okay, now just create a folder called just follow this. Just create a folder hello name. Just create a folder with name hello. Just opening my terminal here, and just clone this, just copy this and just execute go mod init example. Okay, so just recreated the go mod. Now just create a go file and copy this code. Okay, just open this in VS Code. Just create a new Go file. It is suggesting us to install the plugins for VS Code, Go plugins for VS Code. Just install it so that it will be really easy for us to hit the code. So just paste the copied code. Just copy the paste the copied code. Now okay, this means we are just naming this as a main package, and we are importing format module from Go standard modules, and this is available in the Go standard packages, and it has method. We are just calling that the println. This will print the hello world when we run the code. Just open new terminal here. Just type go and dot. So it is printing, it is compiling and printing the hello world here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates.